and welcome to another Shein try-on haul. Today I have some dresses and skirt sets to try on for you. We have this one here, this one here, ooh, this one here, this little number here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get started, I wanted to show you the outfit that I'm wearing. This also came from Shein. So as you can see, I have this lovely sweatshirt on. Let me get close so you can see the fabric. It is very light knit fabric, as a lot of Shein things are. Let me show you what's on underneath. This sweater also came from Shein. I love the little cutout in the front. I think it's super cute. Just got to be careful about the bra not showing through. Let me show you the arm of it so you can see how thick or thin it is. This is a decent weight. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of the items. The first thing that we are going to get started with is in this bag, and it is so cute. It is a sweater dress. So you may have seen in my last haul that I did a sweater dress. This one is a little bit different from that one. There's the front, and there is the back. So why don't I go ahead and jump into this dress. And here we have it, the dress. So first of all, I would like to point out these cute embellishments, the buttons that go down. They're not functional, but they're definitely cute. Let me show you the knit of the fabric. So it's not too thin, not too thick. I do like it. It's very, very soft, so that's nice. Let me stand back and show you the rest of it, and I'll show you the back. And I did get this in a size small, and I would say that it is true to size. So I really like this. I think it is super cute. I love the rainbow colors. The rainbows are just coming back in, and I am digging them. So I'd like you to vote for your favorite in the comments below. The first outfit I was wearing would be the first one. This will be the second outfit for voting. And then the next one I show you will be the third outfit for voting. So give me just a moment and I will show you what is up next. We have a cute skirt and shirt set. Let me show you the shirt first. So the shirt goes like this. It'll go over another shirt, of course, or you could just get crazy with your bad self and wear it by itself. This right here is the skirt. I really love all the little ruffle detail along the top there, and it looks really cute along the bottom as well. This is what the knit looks like. You can see through it, so I would suggest wearing nude underwear because I can actually see the camera light through it. So let's go ahead and just throw these on. Alright, and here we have it, the next outfit. Check it out. I think it is so cute. As you can see, I put on just a little lace kind of camisole underneath it. I could have chose a bra that was a little bit more skin tone, so hopefully you can't see that. But I thought that would be a really cute mix, and it would be nice for summer or winter because you can put something a little bit bigger underneath of it, or you can just put something real thin under it. Or like I said, you could get crazy with your bad self and just tie it right here. Maybe use it as a swimsuit cover-up. Let me show you how it looks like from the back. And there we have it. So let me show you these cute little arms here. They flare out. And here is the material. It is see-through as well, so it wouldn't be something you'd want to wear with nothing on underneath. Definitely wear some clothes underneath this. And I think it's pretty cute. I don't really have more to say about it besides the fact that I'm slightly obsessed with it because it has a cute little top and then it has the cute little bottoms. And the skirt you can pull up higher if you want. You can also pull it down a little lower if you want, so it's up to you. You can take this part and just untie it if you want. Just leave it untied. You can take it off the shoulder if you would like, or however you want to style this piece. Let's see what we have coming up next. Up next, we have this super cute black dress with a white collar and white cuffs. It does make me think of Wednesday Addams. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I can't snap my fingers. It doesn't make a noise, so I have to click. But anyway, I didn't get it because of the Wednesday Addams theme or anything like that. I just thought that it was a very classy looking dress. So let's just go ahead and we'll jump into this one too, and I'll show you what it looks like on. Alright, and check it out. The Wednesday Addams dress that I'm not actually using to cosplay as Wednesday Addams, but we will pretend. So check it out. I think it's super cute. It's a little on the short side. It could be a little bit longer, but that's just me. There's definitely some room here. But I guess it goes to my fingertips, so that's okay. I really like the little cuffs. I think they're super cute. And then you have this cuff right up here. That is so cute. And let me just show you the back. Yes, and I'll show you the knit. So as you can see, it's pretty thin knit. I can see a little bit of daylight through it, but nothing compared to some of the things from Shein. So I really think this was a good deal for the price, and I'm very satisfied with the product. But we are not done yet. We have more items to try on. Alright, the next item we have to try on is this super cute, slinky little dress that has these little sleeves that are like off the shoulder. It's hard to show you what it looks like without putting it on, but you will see in just a moment. So I'm going to take this and very carefully put it on, and I will be right back with you. Okay, this is the last outfit from Shein for the day. So let me come closer and show it to you. I think the sleeves are just super cute with this little laciness. When I stand back, you can see that the sides are actually ruched, which is pretty cool, because then you can kind of have it just be ruched through your belly, and you don't have to worry about that thing sticking out too far. It ties in the back, so let me show you that. Yeah. So anyway, that was kind of hard to get on by myself, but that's okay. As you can see, I'm not wearing a bra. I would suggest wearing some kind of pasties or something underneath, but I don't have any of those, so leave me alone and don't look. But that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, any of that, please leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to vote for your favorite in the comments. And I have some videos on the screen right now that I think you will truly enjoy, so over here and over here. And I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.